Want this?
Adjust colors of your background. Now add a picture. Remove the background. Adjust your picture position. Adjust your dog picture color. Add your text. Select your fonts. Move text overlay to down. Add some stroke to make it bolder. Now blend option and select dot overlay. Add shadow to your text. Now add glow overlay. Move down inside overlay too. Now go to dot blend and select. Add your text. Select your fonts. Move down inside overlay too. Now blend option and select dot overlay. Add shadow to your text. Add blue frame.